Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Just a couple minutes away from the other video for me. I don't know how long it's gonna be for you, but I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's a limited edition box from Beauty Expert, and the bag looks like this. It's quite big. It's a great size to travel. If it's not too big for that, depends for how long you're traveling. But anyway, the bag itself is great. It's a good size. And Beauty Expert, it's an online store. Is located in UK. This is my second limited edition bag, because it's not a box that I'm getting from them. I have on my channel another unboxing, and as I said, this one comes from UK. It's an online store, and they usually send most of the brands are high-end brands, but you can find whatever you want there, not just high-end brands. But in the limited edition boxes they put all the items are full size and as I said, high-end brands. This is my second bag that I get from them. I have on my channel the other one that I got last year and was great. I still have some products from that one, and this one was 70, I believe 70 pounds, and in US dollars was 99. At least I paid in that day when I got this one. So in this one, as I said, I like the bag. Looks huge, and here is inside the bag. It also has a booklet with all the products. And let me move this away and start to get each product. And the first one I see here is the Omorovicza, and this one is Ultramoor mud mask. As I said, full sizes. If you watch my channel, you know I love Omorovicza. I have from Look Fantastic another limited edition box just with Omorovicza products. My favorite is their mist, is the one that I like the most, and the mask looks like this. And let's see inside. Here is that gray color, and this one smells really nice. I was trying so many masks, the mud mask, and some of them has a horrible smell. But anyway, this one smells great. It's a full size, and let me see if they have prices for this one. No, they don't give you the price, but this is expensive. It says just what does and how to use it. I'm not gonna give you all the information. If you wanna know something about them, let me know in the comments down below. Then the second item in here, and I never know how to pronounce this, ESPA or ESPA, I don't know. We just got another item from this in a glassy box, but that one was a hair product. This one is Optimal Skin ProSerum serum, another full size. And let's see how is the yeah, it's a full size, and it's a yellow serum. It says Natural Beauty Inner Calm for radiant skin. And then somebody should count how many times I'm saying them. The next one in here is from Neom, if I'm saying right. It's Organics London, and this one is Nourish Bread Calm Hand Balm. So it's a hand cream. And it's this size. Smells nice, not very strong. So this was the third item. We have 3 more here. So far there in this bag are 6 full-size items. The next one is Caudalie, another full size, and this one is divine oil for body, face and hair. I heard a lot about this oil. I didn't buy this one, and I didn't get even a sample of this, but now I have the full size. And if you watch my channel, you know I'm not a fan of oils, but I'm really curious to try this one. And also look at the print here, it's really pretty. And let's try this one, because as it says, the curiosity ate the cat. This one has a very light scent, smells really nice, but applying this, it doesn't feel oily at all, and it does absorb in the skin really well. And the more it stays, the smell is getting more powerful. It smells really nice, and also it feels really nice on the hand. I don't know if you can see, it looks shiny like oily, but it doesn't feel oily at all. So I like this one. You can use this for body, hair, I believe. It says here body, face, hair, because this is an expensive product and it absorbs well. I'm gonna use this for face. So yeah, I like this one, and it's completely absorbed right now and leave skin very soft and smooth. Lovely one. Then we have here from Nuxe, this is Micellar cleansing oil, which looks like this. I'm not gonna open this one because it has the seal, and I have other products open already. I'm gonna use this one with the products I got in the calendar, but also it's a full size. It's for face and eyes. And the last product in here, it's from Elemis. Looks like this. It's Pro-Collagen marine oil. It's anti-wrinkle face oil. And let's see what's the size of this guy. If you watch my channel, you saw that I got from Elemis some deluxe samples of the cream and the serum. And here is the guy. The packaging is very nice with this blue-green ombre. So yeah, we'll see how this one works. Actually, let's try this one. Looks like this. It feels a little bit more oily than the Nuxe, the Caudalie one. It has a nice scent, but the other one it's nicer than this one. But as the other one absorbs in the skin very well, it doesn't feel greasy. I would say this one, the Elemis, absorbs faster than the Caudalie one. So this is all in this box. Let me know what do you think. In US dollars, this one was 99. All the products are full size. Probably somewhere I have the value of this box, which is for sure way over 150. If I'll find the value of this one, because I'm curious to see what's the value of this. If I'll find in my email or on their site, because I'm sure they still have this one on sale. I'll leave the information down below in the description box. As I said, for this one I paid 99. You let me know if it's worth it. I think it is, because those are high-end brands, expensive, so for sure the value is over the price I paid. Let me see if they don't have here on the card any information regarding the price. I don't see anything here. But this one was called the Spy Edition Winter 2018. So if you're interested in this one, you can go and check the Beauty Expert site. And at least 2 days ago this one was on sale. Probably it still is. As I said, I like to get limited edition from the Beauty Expert. And also there is another store, it's Skin Store, which is affiliated with Look Fantastic. Also Look Fantastic has lots of limited edition boxes. Actually I just got one yesterday. It was a makeup bag, and that one was from Look Fantastic and Elemis. If you have the Look Fantastic box, you might know the Elemis products for sure, because they have all the time products from them. That one was 49, I believe, or something like that. If you can check the Look Fantastic site to see the box, and I will also have an unboxing probably in a month, because it takes at least 3 weeks to get that box from UK. So that's all for this box. Let me know what do you think about this one. So far I like it. The product that I like the most, it's definitely the Caudalie serum. I didn't try the other ones, but I'm sure that they are great also. So yeah, with this being said, I wish you a very, very nice day, and I'll see you with another unboxing in a little while. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.